Today we are going to discuss one new thing in HTML, how to insert the special symbols. There are some special symbols that for which you have to write the HTML code, then only that symbol becomes visible. Okay, so what are those symbols? Like left arrow, up arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Okay, then symbol of greater than sign, less than sign. Okay, then space, then Indian rupee symbol, degree sign, fraction signs. Before I start explaining the coding, I would like to show the browser view to you people so that you get into know what I mean by special symbols. See here. Is the browser view visible? Daksh, put your hand down. Is the browser view visible to everyone? Gitanshu, Divyansh, Vanita, is the browser view visible? So, first of all, see the symbols for which we have to revise and go through the HTML code. All the arrows, greater than sign, less than sign, ampersand, extra space, degree, fractions, pi symbol, Indian rupee, copyright, registered, trademark. Okay. So these symbols we are to go through. Clear? Am I clear? All right. So let us start the coding now. I have create a table with border 4 and width 250. Okay. So in the first table, which you can see in the browser view, the first table is showing the arrows, 4 type of arrows that you can display in your web page. Left arrow. What is the HTML code to insert the left arrow? Ampersand hash X 2190. Ampersand hash X 2190. This is the code to insert left arrow. Then up arrow. Ampersand hash X 2191. Ampersand hash X 2191. Right arrow. Ampersand hash X 2192. Down arrow. Ampersand hash X 2193. So these are 4 arrows along with their code using which you can draw these symbols in your coding. Like in the previous assignment, when I give you the concept of superscript and subscript, we have taken into consideration one chemistry equation where this symbol was used. Many of you have written the symbol directly, but this is the code to insert this symbol. Because it was right arrow key, so this is the correct symbol, ampersand hash X2192. Okay. Next we are shifting to the second table, that is other symbols 1. I hope both the windows are visible, browser view as well as the coding view. Any problem coming in view of the two windows? All right. So greater than sign, less than sign, ampersand, extra space, degree, and these fractions and pi symbol. So first of all, the key HTML code to insert the greater than sign, ampersand GT semicolon. Ampersand GT semicolon. Then how to insert less than symbol? Ampersand LT, less than symbol. Ampersand LT, okay? Ampersand. Ampersand beta you will normally find at the top side of 7 number key in your keyboard. Ampersand amp, 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 semicolon. This symbol is called ampersand. Then extra space, ampersand NBSP. This I show you by giving one example over here. I have typed a sentence. Ram is playing football. I have given one example over here. Ram is playing football. Right now, I have given one space. After every word, I have given one space. Suppose I increase the amount of space. I am increasing the amount of space. No matter how much space you are giving while typing, in browser view, it will remain normal. It have no effect in the browser view. See, in browser view, it is coming in normal way by giving one space. You have given so much of extra space, but browser does not encounter it. When you see the browser view, it is just showing the normal space. Okay. So how to have the same view? You want the same view in the browser. How it is possible? When you give the symbol for extra space, NBSP semicolon, the number of times you are giving ampersand NBSP, the number of time you will get the space. Okay. Am I clear? आप जितनी बार ये कोड दोगे उतनी अमाउंट ऑफ स्पेस इंसर्ट हो जाएगी. So let us check now. See, the space between Ram and is now increased. Space between Ram and is has now increased. Have you noticed the difference? Okay. So next is fraction. How to write half? Half. How to write this in fraction form? Ampersand hash 189 semicolon. Ampersand hash 189 semicolon is the HTML code for inserting half fraction. Then quarter 1/4. Ampersand hash 188. Ampersand hash 188. Then 3/4. Ampersand hash 190 semicolon. Ampersand hash 190 semicolon. Then how to insert the pi symbol? Pi, you understand, 22/7. You use this symbol in your maths for doing some calculations. So how to draw the pi symbol? Ampersand hash 8508. So this will draw pi in this shape. Am I clear up till the symbols I have discussed? All of you? All right. Now let's move to the third table, that is called other symbols 2. Other symbols 2. Here we'll having Indian rupee, copyright, registered, trademark. In the year 2017, I guess, in the board examinations, this symbol was being asked. All right. So the third table, Indian rupee. How to insert the symbol for Indian rupee? Ampersand hash 8377. Ampersand hash 8377. This is the symbol for Indian rupee. Okay. Then symbol for copyright. Ampersand copy. This symbol came in the year 2017 in the web page. This symbol was there. And students, they draw it directly. Students draw it directly. But proper code is there. Ampersand copy semicolon. Hasita, if you want to ask any question, first come on the video. All right. So I again revise the topic. How to insert the Indian rupee. Ampersand hash 8377. Okay. Right. So symbol of copyright. Ampersand copy semicolon. This is the symbol. Is the browser view visible? Is the browser view visible? Hasita. Okay. This is the symbol for copyright. Okay. This symbol, I told you, it came in the year 2017. Web page question was there in which this symbol was drawn, and students, they directly draw C in the circle. They directly draw C in the circle. But actual code is there. Ampersand copy semicolon. Then registered trademark. Ampersand hash 174 semicolon. This is the symbol for registered trademark. Then is trademark. Trademark means the logo of the product, the design, that any design, any mark, or any logo that identifies the product of a company. That is called trademark. So this is the symbol for trademark, ampersand hash 8482. This small tm. Am I clear? Am I clear with all these symbols? You try to type one equation of chemistry and you try to press the arrow key from the keyboard. It will take your cursor in front. Actually, this symbol won't be drawn. We want this symbol. Clear? Am I clear? Bisam, am I clear? All right. Yes, Saksham Grover, what's your doubt? The common symbol that you may get is, mostly we get this copyright, Indian rupee, trademark, okay, then greater than sign, less than sign, and this arrow key. These are the common symbols. Okay, clear? I hope all the special characters are now clear to everyone. All right. So let's start the next concept. Today, I'm going to revise the concept of nested list. Nested list, as I told you earlier also, a list inside another list. Okay? List inside another list. It may happen unordered list is inside the order list, or order list is inside the unordered list. Right? So let us revise the concept of nested list once again. I'm having the heading which I align in the center. Games. I have displayed one heading in H1 in center of the web page, and the heading is games. So starting with, I take OL tag type equal to capital A. My first option will appear in capital A, that is in form of capital ABC, LI, indoor games. Indoor games. Clear? Am I clear? Then second option, I have taken unordered list inside indoor games. First heading comes indoor games, then inside the indoor games we will be writing the name of indoor games. UL type equal to circle. Type equal to circle. LI chess, LI carom. Two indoor games I have typed. Now I close the unordered list. The list which is inside the other list, the inner list, right now in front of you, the inner list is UL. Inner list will be opened and closed, but outer list will be closed at the end. You don't have to close the outer list again and again. This is not to be done. Outer list will be closed at the end when coding will get finished. Now again I write here LI. Now this LI is pointing to ordered list. Okay, so here I write outdoor games. Then again inside the outdoor games, I again create the nested list, and this time I am giving the value disk. This time I want to show the items in solid dark circle, that is called disk. Outdoor games, football, and I am taking hockey. Clear? Am I clear to all of you up till here? Then my work is finished. Now I close the order list. Since my complete list is finished, now I close at the end the outer list. Okay, now I close the body tag, and here I close the HTML tag. Let us save this web page in documents, nested list revision 10th d.html. Let us see the browser view. See, the browser view is in front of you. I hope it is visible to everyone. Bisam, Hasita, Saksham, Grover, Srishti, bete browser view is visible to all of you. This is the concept of nested list. और ये कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि हमेशा ऑर्डर लिस्ट बाहर होगी, नेस्टेड लिस्ट इनसाइड होगी. It may happen unordered list is out, order list is inside. Any of the combination can come. So don't just fix onto one type of coding. The coding of nested list depends upon the structure that you have been given. The way you have the structure, the way you have to write the coding. You have to carefully see which list is outer, which list is inside. Okay? I show the coding once again so that you can go through the concept minutely. Clear? I can add one more option over here. Now, since I have closed the inner list, this li again pointing to the order list. So I write here definition. Now inside this, I am taking one definition list. I am enclosing definition list inside the third option, DT. I am taking the term NSF, DD. It was the project started by National Science Foundation in the year 1980. Okay, my purpose is finished. I close the definition list. Now I close the OL over here. Let us see the change. What change comes in the browser view? See here. C part, see the C part, definition. Under that, we have NSF term and its definition is here. Am I clear with the entire coding of nested list? We'll be practicing more questions in the upcoming classes. Okay.